Friend, this is Miss B Finance One-on-One, and as always I am super excited. So today video is all about how to select the beneficiary the right way for your life insurance. Remember, life insurance is all about your family continuing without being financially devastated when you are not here. So how do you go about selecting the right beneficiary? Please, my friend, if you like this video, do me two favor, do share this video, and please subscribe to my YouTube at Betty Achapa. So when it comes to life insurance beneficiary, there are some of the most important things you can ever do. A lot of life insurance policy don't get paid because key word is lack of knowledge, and that's why I wanted to do this video for you. And please do share it with your friends. So number one thing you need to do absolutely is your beneficiary has to know. The reason why this policy don't get paid is because they don't know. They need to know two things though. They need to know the company number and they need to know the name of the company. You don't have to tell them that Miss B is your agent, although you know I love for them to know me, but guess what, I might die before you. So your beneficiary need to know which company is having your life insurance policy. The best way to let them know is to email them. You do not need to tell them the amount of money though, because they might just kill you. And we don't want them. So you need to tell your beneficiary that you do have something in case anything happened to you. Who do they contact? You need to give them the company name and telephone number. Do this. The best way is always to email it to them so that they can have it forever in the file. The second thing when you're selecting your beneficiary is please start with the end in the back of your mind. What do I mean by the end? Who has your best interest? If you're taking care of your parent and you also have your kids, will your wife be able to take care of your family? Or if you have your kids, is your wife the most responsible person to take care of that kid? Who has the best interest for all your goals, for all your dreams? My friend, that is the person you want to select as your beneficiary. It might be your mom, it might be your wife, it might be anybody else out there, okay? Which bring me to the third part of knowing about your beneficiary, which is do your percentage right. So whenever you're selecting life insurance beneficiary, they will give you two parts of it. We have the primary and the contingent. So your goal here is to select the primary. The primary always get the money before the contingent beneficiary. What do? You assign certain percentage to it. If I want to take care of my mom at the same time, I still want to take care of my son. You know, my son may not understand my family obligation on this side, and my family may not understand my obligation or my dreams for my family. So it's always wise, my friend, to do percentage. You can give your primary family, which is your husband and your kid, 50% or 80%, but still remember you're also obligated to your mom, your dad, and so you might want to do 20% for them. Whatever the cost is, maybe you have a charity organization, you might want to give them 10% to. Maybe you care about homeless shelter, maybe you care about your dog, you might want to give them some money. Or about your church. Please do use those percentage very wisely. And also, when it comes to it, consider having contingent, meaning that what if both of you and your spouse die and there is nobody to take care of that beneficiary? You need to have contingent, people who can benefit from both of you. Because I know most of the time husband put wife, wife put husband, but what happened when you were both gone? That's why it's important for you to have the contingent people who will still carry your legacy, my friend. Remember, life insurance is all about your legacy, my friend, and leaving something behind so that people can remember you from. This is your wealth builder, my friend. The third thing you need to know, my friend, is your beneficiary can be anywhere. I know most of the people always tell me, oh my God, I don't have anybody in America, or I don't have a relative here, so what do? Do I have to put my friend as my beneficiary? There's nothing wrong putting your friend. The key word is, do they have your best interest? But if you do know your best interest, people are in Kenya or anywhere, my friend, let me tell you today, your beneficiary can be anywhere around the world. They just need to know who to call, that company number, remember, and the company put the policy number to call the company with if anything happened to you. My friend, your agent will never know if anything happened to you. So your beneficiary need to know, my friend, So they can't be anywhere. Last thing I need you to know is your beneficiary can be anyone. It can be Miss B, it can be a charity organization, it can be anyone and anywhere in the world, my friend. So do not be intimidated by just selecting your friend or your mom or your spouse. Always the key is who will always carry my dreams, my hope, and my legacy well. That's the person you need to put in as your beneficiary, my friend. Well, if you love this video, my friend, like I've told you before, do share this video and do subscribe to Miss B Betty Achapa on YouTube. And thank you all, and see you all at the top. Thank you.